Let's talk about betrayal. Betrayal hurts deeply, but sometimes it is the push you never knew you needed. When people you trusted turn against you, don't break. Instead, build. Let that betrayal becomes your fire, not your failure. Remember, diamonds are formed under pressure. Use the pain to grow stronger, wiser, and more focused. Don't chase revenge, chase results. Because nothing silences a betrayal more than your success. So rise. Turn every stab in the back into a step forward. Let betrayal make you better, not bitter. Thank you.